Alright guys, in this video I want to quickly show you how to upload products on Selar. If you want to upload your product, your digital product or any other thing on Selar as a product or on Selar, let me quickly show you in this video. So log into your Selar account. Okay, make sure you are in your creator profile. You can see I'm in my creator profile because Selar has creator profile, affiliate profile and customer profile. So make sure that you are in your creator profile. Okay, so then you click on the three lines above at the right. There is three lines there. Click on it. Then you will see products. Click on products. You will see add products. Then click on that add product. Alright, you can see select product type to proceed. We have digital product, we have a ticket and masterclass for those who want to sell ticket or masterclass online. Then we have service, subscription and all that, but these down ones are for subscription. If you subscribe to pro, or you can see we then access it. So let's quickly use digital product because what I'll be using in this video will be digital product. I just want to quickly show you this. All right, so I will click on digital product. It will say sell your knowledge and creativity effortlessly with digital product from ebook, templates, printables and more that customer can access instantly. Then click on next within that box. Click on next. Okay, yeah. So you can see the first thing we have here is to drag and drop your product image. You can look at this box, the first box. So I will click on it. Click on photo, or you can choose any other one. So to pick a picture of your products, so I will add it. It is loading. Just note you can add more than one picture. If I want to add another picture, I can still click on the drag and drop product image or browse. Let me also add, though I will remove that one later. You can see I have added another picture. Alright, but for the course of this video I will just be using one, so let me cancel one. Let me use one. Then product name, this is a graphic design course. Graphic design course. Alright, then I have entered the name. I have typed the name in. Then the next thing is the price. Make sure you enter price here or leave it at 0. Okay, make sure you enter something. If you wish it is for free, just add 0. You get, don't leave it blank. Make sure you type something. If it is for free, maybe you want to give those things out, but you want these people to go this series, because at times we use this to generate lead, because it will ask you where they will put the information and you will get to know that when you check those who have gotten your product. So but I will just enter 5k here. Okay, so this is 5,000 naira because I'm a Nigerian. is always dictate my place and my currency. You can see NGN, that is naira. Okay, so here the next one is where you can describe the product. Anything that you want your customers to see about the product, like the written text, this description of the product. So for this, I have generated this with my chat GPT. So I gave it a prompt to write something, and it gave me this. So let me just copy it. Let me copy this. Copy, done, and then I go back. Then I will just paste it. Okay, now you can see though some of this thing has been highlighted, but let's assume there is a particular thing that you want to highlight here. You just select it, then all these icon above is for different things. So you can see as I click on that B, which stands for bold, I stand for italic, U stand for underline, and if you want to add link and any other thing, you can use those things, and the alignment is under. So you can see maybe if I want to remove this from the bold font, I can click on that, and you can see the bold font have cleared. So let me put it back because it is good that way. Okay, you can see. So if there is any other thing that you wish to add font or increase the font, the boldness, you can do that. Okay, then for the sake of this, let me just put all these things in italic. Okay, let me put this one in an italic. You can see. So then for my WhatsApp number, let me also bold it and also put it in italic. You can see this. So this is for description, anything about description. And for this one, let me also put it in the bold font. Put it in the bold font. Yeah, very good. So I'm done with this. So when you scroll to this place, you will see category. Then in this category, you will choose the category of the product that you want to upload, to list here, to create here. Then you click on it. I will choose content and media, because that is where graphic design falls. So I will choose graphic design. You see under subcategory, I see graphic design. So I have been conversant with this. That is why I know where to find it. Okay, so I will then scroll down. You will see product variation. This product variation is if the products have variation. Maybe if it is a physical product, even digital products might at times have variants. Something like maybe a book, maybe a kind of cover, you say black cover or white cover, or something like that. The variant, you understand. So if it has something like that, you check on it, then you add the variants. But this graphic design course does not have something like that. So I will uncheck it, scroll down, getting to product type. It has already been selected. It is a digital product. Let me also click it so you can see it. So you can see physical product, digital product, ticket, and master as the same thing as what we saw earlier before we started. So that is not we are done with that. So the next one is a pre-order release date. this is a kind of something that you are launching in future time. Okay, so but this product, I have already created it. The product is already on ground, so I want to upload it now. So it's not a kind of thing that people need to pre-order or wait for a particular day to be launched. So but if it's something like that, you can still check it and then set the date, you get. So but I will uncheck it for this. Then I will go down, I will see this one that says give buyer access to file. So you can see file access type. This file access type, this one say downloadable file. It is on that downloadable file. Now you see that the tab is somehow darker than the other one, but this downloadable file will allow the buyer to download it once they pay for it. If it's something like PDF, image, video, they will download it to their phone. But read only online will not allow them to download it to their phone, but they will see it online but can't be able to download it. This will help you if it's a kind of product that you don't want people to maybe pirate, like sending a copy to other people. You can just put it this way, but for this course I will be putting it in and also note, when you put it in read only online, it will not be anything much bigger than 10 MB in size, so that the customer will be able to download it faster and access it anytime they open it. So but for this course I will be checking the downloadable file. It will be downloadable file. So here I will upload a particular file. It's not actually a file, but a file for a full course, but for the course of this video I just created this so that I can use it perfectly to demonstrate this. All right, so when I click on drag and drop your product file or browse, so I will click on it, then click on choose file. It depends on your phone. So when I come here I will then pick this. Then you can see it's uploading. You can see the green line. All right, now it is a dot at the right side. So you can see Henry GDC theory PDF. Henry GDC, the GDC here means graphic design course theory PDF. The theory is a kind of a part of the tutorial, something like the principles, the elements of graphic design. We usually teach it as a theory before we enter into practical aspect of it, like definition of graphic design and every other thing that needs to be in theory form before we start the practical. So I packaged all of them in PDF so that it can be well organized when accessing it by the customers or by my students. So I will then click on create product. But wait, what if this is something that a course that you have packaged on Telegram or Google Drive, or it is a kind of group, maybe WhatsApp group or any other thing that associates with link that you can give them access to. All right, so this way happens that you see automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. So this, when I check this, it will provide a column where I will enter link. Let me do that. So I need to uncheck the files. Okay, I will uncheck this, then check that last one, automatically redirect buyers to an external URL after a purchase. You can see. All right, so I will now copy the link of the group or the course group where I package the course, or the link from my Google Drive, anywhere that the link of that particular file is, so that when the customer after making the payment, they will be redirected to that link and they will get access to that particular product. All right, let me copy the link. Okay, so from here I will copy the link and then come back here, paste it. So once I paste it, I will then click on create product. You can see create product. Let's wait for it. A minute is okay. You can see it say edit graphic design course. If I want to edit this, you can see the link. You can copy this. You can copy this. Yeah, you can copy it. Then you can see success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at this link. So let's go back to our profile, to our creator profile, and then let's refresh it. It will appear. So it is now 5 products here. So let me click on that and see how it looks. Okay, you can see this is the product, graphic design course, digital product as we stated it, then 5,000 naira. Then I will click on it. I will click on these 3 dots, then click on view public link. Click on that view public link. It will load. Let's see how the product looks. You can see you have created a product in this place, and you can see the description that I gave it earlier. So you can read through this. There are much things to do, but if you would like me to guide you step by step on the more pro things to do here, because you have the chance to add pictures, maybe testimonials, receipt of those that have gotten the product, reviews that other customers have given you about the product, so that when people read about it, they can see what others is saying about it, and then that can help other people to get it. So if you need such things, just send a mail to them, my email on this YouTube channel, and I will get to help you for that. So thank you for watching, and share this video, share to your friends. Thank you.